Good morning. It's Thursday thunder, not a cloud in the sky. Hey, it's a good morning. So yesterday I made a video about why to write a book. And then as I thought about it, I thought I need to talk about the real reasons to write a book. Yesterday it was good stuff, make money, fame, fortune, recognition, expertise in your field, get bigger gigs, possible presentations, speaking, be invited on stuff, be recognized, learn, teach, all kinds of good stuff, right? And yet I thought, yeah, those are good. Those are good. Yep, absolutely. Yep. Those are all good. You do the, simulate button and you see all the money. It's good stuff, right? Yep. Except I need a simulate button. I need a scenario with the real reasons to write a book, the secret reasons, the deeper, the heart reasons. If those are all mind reasons, logical, rational, financial, administrative, career, this is the hard stuff. Ready for this one? This is the good stuff. Are you ready? This is like the real me. Yesterday, that's all good. I'm all for making money. I'm all for building your career. That's good. But at the end of the day, or shall I say the end of the life, you look back, it's going to be about this. It's not so much this. It's this stuff. That's the good stuff. I mean, so what does our little funnel chart look like in the real scenario of why to write a book? I mean, we've got stuff like pride. I mean, wow, it's a biggie, right? Pride. Be proud of something you're doing. Accomplishment, getting something done that builds into your confidence, your self-confidence, because you've accomplished something. And oh, and by the way, you're proud because you're working on something you're passionate about. It's letting out. It's letting out the steam. It's giving up off your shoulders that weight that's been holding you down of something you've been wanting to do. The bucket list check, that's a biggie. Happiness, joy. Happiness is, oh, I've got a book idea. Joy is finishing that book. It's deeper. Happiness, joy. Happiness is light. Yay, fun. Let's have Indian food. Joy is, oh, this is good. Oh, this is good. And when it's so good, you know what also happens? You spark, you inspire, you motivate others. So when you yourself are working from the heart, when you are working from the deeper grounds where you are creating, you are making something, not just for the mind reasons, not just for the rational, the logical, and the money and the fame, you are doing it because you have to, because you have a message to share. You have a voice that wants to be heard. You have a story that needs to be told. These are the real reasons to write a book. I shouldn't say real. Like the other ones are not real. They are real. They're good too. But this is where the heart is. This is the good stuff. There's a sort of a side benefit to all of this that comes, well, actually, there's a lot of side benefits because one of the benefits is the unknown. Because when you start down this path, you do this project, you're on the way. What happens is you're on the main highway and there's all these offshoots. You're on the main branch and these little twigs. And you're like, ooh, look at that. Ooh, look at that. And they're good things, not distractions. Oh, glittery object syndrome. They're good things. They're things that open up. Whoa, blossom flower. Oh, fall leaves. So by doing the thing, by taking the action, it opens up avenues you didn't even know were avenues. And yet you are opened up to them and you're standing at the crossroads and it's all yours. And this happens because you took that risk of starting, of doing, of getting it done. Getting it done. Remember the accomplishment one? That's a biggie. We got to get this thing done. It's not, oh, I'm working on a book. Oh, I'm thinking about working on a book. That's everybody and their cousin. There's not many who say, I finished my book. Here it is. There's sort of one secret one also that I really like, and that is how I am building my own world. And the external factors and environment of the rest of the world and the other people, be it, bad, boring, annoying, evil, terrible, end of the world, it affects me less. Why? because I'm coming from the inside. I'm a growing tree here that is sprouting new leaves and new branches. I don't have time to worry about the storm coming. I don't have the attention to deal with the clouds in the sky because I am sprouting. I am growing my own story. I am building my own future right here through this book. Have you realized I've gone beyond the money and the fame and the numbers and the stats, the readers and the followers, and then this is the good stuff. This is where I live. This is where I strive to be, and this is where I want to bring you. So those exterior factors, can you imagine this? Like the external world having less effect. It's like you have got a shield that it just bounces off of. Oh, look, tragedy and drama and oh, terrible, who knows what. And yet it bounces off you. I'm not saying you're completely Superman or Superwoman, although I kind of am. But it's something of a shield that blocks the external because you are so strong internally, because you have created something. This is my real flow chart. This is the real funnel that matters to me. The real reason to finish a book, not just write a book, finish a book. Now, you can do this alone. I can tell you every step on how to write a book. I've got a full on course. It's called Publish, How to Get Your Book on the Shelf. Yet, if you'd like to do it together as a group in a 6 weeks period, together with others who are on the same path, in the same moment in their lives, and ready to get this thing done, then look below and I'll put a huge discount coupon down there. And that one is Boost Your Brand with a Book. Now, when I say brand, you might think brand of a company, but I have an upcoming course in 2021, Brand New You, like the letter U, but it's you, right? Kind of. But brand, I see, what if we see ourselves as a brand and we are going to change that brand? And it's no longer trying to figure out who you are, but it's trying to figure out who you will become. Stop searching for who you have been, but find and create who you will be. I'm Bradley Charbonneau. It's just another Thursday. And this stuff happens because I'm out here creating every week. I write every day. I produce every week. Come join me on this creative journey. Journey. That's an overused word. You know what it is? It's just daily life. Just what are you going to make of it? What steps are you taking? What tiny little steps are you taking on a daily basis to create your future? Are you standing still? It's fall. Are you going to go hibernate in the cave and wake up in the spring and say, "Oh, that was a good sleep. What are we doing next?" Or you can go get to it, get this done. I'm Bradley Charbonneau. Pepper's got to get going here. Apparently, he has like field mice to find. But I join you. I welcome you. I invite you to come. Hey, Peps, you ready to go or something? Hey, I got things to do. Got bigger fish to fry here. Got dogs to walk. Got important stuff to do. What's your important stuff to do? Huh? Come join me. Come tell me. I'm inviting you right here. Fall is approaching. Winters are coming. What are you going to be in the spring? You got a book in you? We all do. It's whether or not you let it out. This Thursday Thunder, I'm Bradley Charbonneau. Thanks for being here. I'm here every week. Are you?